Hello, welcome to English with Catherine. My name is Catherine, and today I want to talk about clothes, clothing. They mean the same thing. Clothes or clothing, things that we wear. When you meet a new person, what do you say? What do you say when you see someone you never saw them before? Yeah. Hello, how are you? Yep. Do you ever talk about what they're wearing? Oh, hi, nice to meet you. I really like that shirt. Or that color looks really good on you. So it can be a way to talk to people, an easy way to say something nice about someone. So I want to see, do you know some words for clothing already? Let's find out. So this one is a shirt. Yep. And this one is, yeah, it's also a shirt. Also a shirt. But this one specifically is called a t-shirt. Yeah. So this is a shirt. This is also a t-shirt. This is a shirt. It is not a t-shirt. Okay. This is a jacket. This is a coat. Coat and jacket are also pretty similar. Similar words, yeah. Coat is maybe warmer. Yeah, warmer if it's cold outside. Might be longer. Yeah, coat longer than a jacket, but similar words. This one here, the green. Do you know what that's called? That's a sweatshirt. Yep, a sweatshirt. This one is a scarf. Yeah, so a scarf you wear around your neck. Some people will also wear a scarf over their head. Same word in English, scarf or a scarf. A hat. A hat is this one. Wear on your head. And these, does anyone know what we call these? You wear them on your hands? Yep, gloves. Gloves. If it's all the fingers together and one separate, mittens. Yeah, so I don't have a picture of mittens, but if all the fingers are together, that's mittens. Some more clothes. This one is a dress. Yes, a dress. This part, just the bottom part of the dress. Skirt. Yep, that's a skirt. This one is pants. This one, also pants, but specifically jeans. Yeah. So these are pants. These are pants. These are not jeans. These are jeans. Short pants. Short pants come up higher. Those are called shorts. And this one is a belt. The belt holds your pants up. On your feet, you wear shoes. Yes, shoes. And underneath your shoes, right on your feet, you wear socks. This is a pair of socks. We also can say a pair of pants, even though there's just one item. Yeah, so this is also a pair of pants, a pair of pants, a pair of jeans, a pair of shoes, a pair of socks. Pair means two. So if you know your colors, you can talk about the colors of what you are wearing. So could somebody read to me all of these color names? Yep. Black, blue, brown, gray, green, orange, pink, purple, red, yellow, and white. So you may have seen these before. If you didn't learn color names yet, I have a handout that I can give you, a piece of paper with the names of the colors to practice. But you can take the color and put it with the type of clothing in a sentence. So she is, remember he, she, it is, she is wearing, that's our verb, wear. And right now, she is wearing, ing, a red shirt, this one, and blue jeans, these ones. She is wearing a red shirt and blue jeans. Easy, yeah, you can do it. I can say the same about myself. I am wearing a white shirt and a brown hat. Yep. So today I'm going to be asking you, what are you wearing? Yeah, for you who are listening, what are you wearing today? What clothes do you have on? And if you need help with the sentence, you start, I am wearing, and then you say the rest. So I would say, I am wearing a white shirt. I am wearing a brown hat. Or you can do two together, yeah? I am wearing a white shirt and a brown hat. So and, remember that word and, we put two things together. A white shirt and a brown hat. Yeah. She is wearing, in our picture, she is wearing a red shirt and blue jeans. You could also say, she is wearing blue jeans and a red shirt. Same sentence, same meaning. So I would ask you to try it with what you're wearing, and maybe send me a message and say, today I am wearing, and then say all the clothes that you're wearing today, and ask about other people that you see. If you see somebody in your family or somebody you know, on the street or wherever you are today, you can look at them, and you don't have to say it, but you can look and say, oh, he is wearing a green shirt and black pants. Or she is wearing a blue and white shirt and a gray skirt. Yeah, so you can practice this all the time whenever you see somebody and notice what they're wearing. So yeah, send me a message and let me know what you're wearing today, and I'll see you next time.